Alright guys, so as per usual, Superformance has got one hell of a toy box ready to be unpacked here. There are chassis, there's engine, and there's all the goodies for the builds and the customer products that have been ordered. So let's open her up and see what's in here.
Hi guys, just thought I'd give you a quick tour of the latest container that just dropped. We have a 65 Mustang chassis here from Aunt Morrison. Triangulated 4-link, airbagged. It's going to be one hell of a build. This one here is for a Camaro, similar story. We've got twin turbo. This one's parallel 4-link and coilover, but Aunt Morrison chassis nonetheless. Moving over here. Got some goodies from my friends over at Dynacorn. Got some restoration parts here, bumpers, things and the like. This here is special. We need to get this open. That's a Dan Fink grill going into a 30s Ford. Got a Tramac transmission here. I believe that's a TR6060, so manual box. And then got a couple more of automatic boxes. This one here, it's a big lift kit. I believe it's going into a new model F truck. We've got a IFS from our friends over at Total Cost Involved. So that'll be going into something cool. And then over here, this is lots of restoration parts for a 60s F truck that's coming in, similar to the one that we have pictured here. So if you guys are chasing anything, want us to deal with America for you, things like that, we can bring it over. Anything you need, check the website out or call the shop. Thanks guys.